In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to extrude text in Adobe Illustrator to create clean, professional 3D text in just a few clicks. This is perfect for logos, posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, or any design where you want bold text to really stand out. The best part is, you don't need any third-party plugins. Everything we're using is built directly into Illustrator. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Once your artboard is ready, go over to the toolbar and select the Type tool, or simply press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on the artboard and type your text. You can write anything you like. For best results, I recommend using a bold or heavy font because thicker letters tend to produce a stronger and more visible 3D extrusion effect. After typing your text, you can adjust the font style, size, and spacing from the Properties panel until you're happy with how it looks. Next, switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard or clicking the black arrow at the top of the toolbar. Click on your text to make sure it's selected. This step is important because the 3D effect will only apply to the object you currently have selected. Now, with your text selected, go to the top menu and click on Effect. From the drop-down menu, hover over 3D and Materials and then choose Extrude and Bevel. As soon as you click it, a new panel will open and you'll see your text automatically previewed in 3D. This is where the magic happens. The first setting we're going to adjust is the depth. The depth controls how far back your text extends, which creates the extrusion effect. Increase the depth slider slowly and watch the preview update in real time. The higher the value, the thicker your 3D text becomes. If you want a subtle effect, keep it lower. If you want dramatic, bold 3D lettering, increase it further. After adjusting the depth, you can change the rotation to control the viewing angle of your 3D text. In the same panel, you'll see rotation controls that let you spin the text on different axes. You can click and drag directly on the 3D preview cube to rotate it freely, or manually adjust the X, Y, and Z rotation values for more precise control. Experiment with different angles until you find one that gives your text a dynamic and visually appealing perspective. You can also explore lighting options inside the 3D and Materials panel if you want to enhance the realism. Adjusting the light intensity or direction can add more dimension and shadow, making the extrusion look even more professional. This step is optional, but it can really elevate your final result. Once you're happy with the depth and rotation settings, go ahead and click OK. Illustrator will apply the effect to your text. Keep in mind that this is still a live effect, which means you can edit it at any time. If you want to make changes later, simply select the text, go to the Appearance panel, and click on Extrude and Bevel to reopen the settings. And that's it. You've successfully created extruded 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. It's quick, it's powerful, and it can dramatically improve your typography designs with just a few adjustments. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.